Have you ever witnessed a symphony in the sky? Enter the breathtaking world of Tundra Swans, embarking on their mystical journey from the Arctic tundra to the coastal waters of the eastern United States. These majestic birds fly thousands of miles, navigating treacherous winds and icy landscapes for survival. Along their route, they communicate with distinctive calls, maintaining formation in a mesmerizing display of aerial coordination. As they traverse this arduous path, tundra swans encounter numerous threats from habitat encroachment and climate change, challenging their survival. Witnessing their determination unveils the necessity of conservation efforts to protect these ethereal travelers and their icy homes.